it's only work with source folder. I don't know why, but that's how it works. Okay. I think that's how it, right? Source folder, package folder. I think it's source folder. Well, we'll see. What's the folder look like? Oh, it's a package or folder? No, I think it's a package folder, source folder. Let's try it. Let's try it. So after we put that, the next thing is we're gonna create our class for the explosion. When you think about that, right, the bullet will have a class, the plane will have a class. They all drawing on these things. So that means our explosion has a class too. So it has how big is that, and then the location, like the X, Y, high, width and high. So and then what it do, like what happen, uh, like if the plant die and then it active the explosion. So we have our class in here. Remember we put the if statement in here, if lives equals true. So if the life equals 4, so we will have the condition to draw the explosion pictures. Okay, so first thing we create the explosion class. Let's do it. New class and explode. Okay, so in here, explosion, we have this is we have remember we have to give a location. So X and Y, so you know where this explosion happens, and then also we need the image, right? We need the image. So we need the image. Uh, so we have how many picture? 16. So each image, we will display each image. That means we have to do a loop through all those image. And loop through all those image, we have to actually make an array, so we can display each one. So let's see. We do a image image array, images equals new image, and we give an initial because we know it's gonna be 16 of it, right? So let's import images. Yeah, I think we need to make a static. Yeah, making static, so we can use it in other class without calling this class. Sorry, without create the new class. Sorry. Yeah, without create a new object. Okay. So now we have to put our make a loop. Yes, make a loop and put it inside uh, this array. So static and for loop and int I equals 0 and I 16 picture and I plus plus. Okay, so images I equals to, and now we need to call our game utility. That's how we read our file, remember? And then we call it get images, and then we can give it the location. So it's gonna be let me think. It's gonna be I wonder if looks different. Maybe we did it wrong. Maybe let's do a uh, folder package. Package or folder? Maybe package. I think it may be a package. Explode. Oh yeah, it looks like it's a package. Put it in there. Let's see. Uh, mm, save. Explode dash e and the because of the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 we are actually gonna give a because it's a loop, right? So it's I plus 1 plus uh the give. I think that's right. And then images I equals no not equals the get width get width, right? So we have the width. We don't really need a constructor. I don't. No, we need it. Need it. We need to tell. We need to tell the x and y. That's why we need the integer count. And then the next thing we do is we're gonna draw it. Void draw and graphics g graphic g. Apparently, you need to import it. Yes, import graphic. And if um as less than equal than 15, we'll draw it. RAW images. I think that's. Oh my gosh, there's so many of it. No, we just need a 4 of it. Oops, damn it. We just need the images, right? Uh, images. And the XY. Remember our X and Y are double, so we need a let's draw in the take integer. So we need a cassette y, and nu is the width. Okay. Next is we need a constructor. Uh, constructor will receive a xy in here, and then we pass the x the y equals y. Okay, so our explode class is ready, and then we'll have to go to our main function. Main function to write it to let it know when it happens. Okay. Let me take a look at my note. Okay. First thing we need to create. Let me see. We need to create the explosion. So, let's do this. So we need to call the class. So our class explode. Let's give a name. What's good word for explode? Just boom. Just explode. How about that? XP. We can change other name later. Okay, so explode and so we have our plan drawing, we have our bullet drawing, we have a crashed, and then I think explosion are better. Explosion are better. Okay, and we have that public and do. Take a look. We need to create a condition so when when like when the bullets touch the plane, that's yeah. So this is a condition. So plan left equals false, and so this is where it crashed, right? So we're gonna add in here. So after it crashed, the plan left equals false, and then we're gonna do explosion. If explosion equals to new, this why it equals to no, I think it's because it prevents it only loop once, it only happen once, and then it's not like after we die this 15 picture or keep looping. So explosion equals new explode, give a location. This is constructor location is where our plan dead, right? So we wanna the the explosion happened in where our plan dead. So we create this, and then let's see, posting dead, and then after that, I think we have to draw it. Hello, hello. Okay. Uh, explosion 的抓记。I think that's it. Let's try it. Oh, what? We have a bug. Okay, so we have to go find the bugs. Why? The explosion does happen, but it's just like, see that? Plan X and plan Y. So, first thing is the location, X and Y. X1, X and Y, X and Y, X and Y. Does that even read correctly? I mean, it has just a tiny little bit. I hope our this read it correctly. X, Y image 16. X, Y, draw images. And this guy, see. Image. You can fast forward if you want. You know, debugging is the boring part. And image G, F, dash. So, this is right. That's because our plan disappear. And then explosion. Explosion. Explosion to G. Okay, so it did not loop through it. I think it only gets one picture. That's how I'm thinking. So must be something wrong with this class. Let's take a look at this class. And let's take a look at this class. The only thing I think what I did wrong is probably this, like either the folder wrong or a source folder. Can't remember exactly. Let's try a folder. Okay. Ooh, how about that? Explosion 2. Let's see. Press. Oh no. Just put it in there. Explode number 2. Okay. Let's try it. Still. Draw the images. Ah, our okay. So we give it the number less, but we didn't actually increase it. I hope you guys can hear because probably you guys probably already see this. Okay. That's correct. You guys probably already see the where I did it wrong, and then try to tell me is it here? Is it here? Okay, awesome, awesome. I think that's it for today. Uh, let's next thing. Yeah. So I think that's it for today. Next week we need to do is to so after the plan hit the bullet hit the plan explode, and then we're gonna show the end game, and then gonna show. Oh yeah, we need to figure out how to calculate the time, right, in seconds. So we're gonna display how many time you are like you play in seconds, and then the end game. After that, we will be done with our basic. Okay, I'll see you guys next week.